Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Vijay. Today I am going to solve the problem that is we have to find the largest and smallest element in an array. Here you can see array consists of elements 1, 23, 30, minus 1 and 90. Here the smallest element is minus 1 and the largest is 90. The approach we can follow is we can take brute force approach where first we have to sort the array using quicksort or merge sort, which take the time complexity of n log n. Uh, then the smallest element will be the element that is present at the 0 index, and the largest element would be the element that is present at the n minus 1 index, that is length of array minus 1. Uh, it is the brute force approach that is first we have to sort the array. Then array of 0 is smallest element and the array of n minus 1, that is length of array minus 1, is the largest element. Okay, coming to the optimal approach, we can use the two variables. That is, optimal approach is we consider two variables, that is smallest, initialize it to the first element, that is array of 0, and then largest, it also been initialized the first element of the array. Okay, then while iterating the array, we have to compare the element with smallest and largest. Suppose we can start from the next 0 means we can start with the next index or first index itself, array of 0. Then we compare it with second element is 1 is the 23 is less than 1? No, right? No, we cannot update it. Next, 30 is less than 1? No. Then minus 1 is minus 1 less than 1? Then we update the smallest element with the minus 1. Then again compare with 90, is minus 1 less than 90? No. Then we have found the smallest element in an array. Likewise, for the largest, we compare that is 23 is greater than 1, is true. We updated the largest element with 23. Then in the next iteration, is 30 greater than 20, largest? Yes, it is true. So we update the largest variable with 30. Is minus 1 greater than 30? No. Then is 90 greater than 30? Yes, it is, right? So we update the largest element with 90. That is, at the last, we find the smallest and largest element in an array. It takes the time complexity of big O of n. That's about it. Then coming to the coding part, first we input the number of elements in an array. Let it be n is equal to int of input. Why I have taken int of input means if we take the input methods, we take the user value string. In order to we have to take the integer value, so I have used the int of input. Then we have to take the array elements. So first we create in Python we denote it as list. First we have to iterate in range of n. Then we ask from the user to enter the element. Enter the I means first element, like that, ith element. Then L is equal to int of input. That's about it. Let us print the we have taken the input. That's it. We have to add that element to the array. To that we use the function append, which is used to add the element to the list, that is e dot append element. Let us print the array. Let us check it once. I'm going to type the number of elements as 5, then 0th element, that is first index is 0, 10, then second element 20, then third element 30, fourth element 40. Here you can see it has been entered, that is the list is 10, 20, 30, 40. Now we have to find the smallest and largest element in an array. So we consider a two variable smallest. Let us initialize with that 0th index element of an array, and the largest as well initialize with first element, that is 0th index of an element of an array. Now we iterate through the array for I in A. If I is less than smallest, then we update the smallest with I. Okay. Then if I is greater than largest, then we update the largest with I. At last we print both largest and smallest element. It is largest, and the smallest element is in the array is, that is plus smallest. Let us run the program. Okay, we have to input the in value, let it be 5, then first element 10, 30, 23, minus 10, 100, 23. It has thrown the error, that is we have used the conc plus, which we should use comma, as largest it is a string and it is the integer value, so we can't combine this, so we should use comma. Now let us run it. Let it be 4, 0, 10, 17, minus 100. See, the largest element here is 17 and the smallest element is minus 100. The error that we have got previous is that I have used the plus, it is used to concatenate, but I have the first, it is string format, and the second, this is the integer format, so we can't combine that. In order to combine that, we can use str function. It converts the integer type to the string type. Now you can see that it will not throw the error. Okay, and the answer will be in the string format only. So 10, 17. Here you can see both the values are string, so it has been concatenated. We can do like this as well. In Python, strings are represented in single as well as double quotes. That's about it. Let us run it once again. The number of elements, it can be 3. I will enter the first element as 10, second element as 20, third element as minus 100. Here you can see largest element is 20 and smallest is minus 100. This is one of the way to take the input and add it to the list. Another way is that we can take the input of elements in a single line. So we can use A is equal to list of map of int of, as the element should be in integer type, so int input dot split. Okay, let us run it once. I have entered 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. Here you can see the largest element is 40, the smallest is 10. How this method work is input, it will take the input as string. Okay, then split function convert the each character of string into the list. Then what the map function will do is that it converts the string character to the integer. Then it will be of the map object. Then it will be converted to the list. That's about it. Thank you.